Alright, so the boys got the radiator out. Good job, guys. It's all out. All the brackets are undone. We do need to take this bracket. I think we're going to need to take it out. And then I got to make something. This is pretty... I don't know how we're going to get this stuff to fit, but... Alright, so I'm going to... What I'll do is I'll put the fan on the back of the new radiator, and then we'll construct a bracket for it. Oh, we can't take that bolt out because that holds the steering box. Oh, that's chintzy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just cut it?
I might have to cut this bar out.
Yeah.
And then weld in a new one. Oh my god.
Cut it, baby.
Yeah, we'll probably have to cut it out there. Yeah, so we're not unbolting that because that's what holds the steering on, and that's... Yeah, but that is kind of scarier than I thought.
The motor's in the back of the vehicle.
Yes, we know, Carson. But... Yeah, this is weird. This is weird. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that.